am the Economic Advocacy Director at the Women's Resource Center in Scranton, Pennsylvania. The Women's Resource Center covers 2 counties, providing services to survivors of domestic and sexual violence. I have had the opportunity and the privilege to work for and with the Center for Survivor Agency and Justice for probably now more than 10 years, with Erica Sussman as the Executive Director of the center. I have found that the CSAJ has been extremely thoughtful and present in engaging with myself and others here at the Women's Resource Center. One of the things that I find about Center for Survivor Agency and Justice as one of their main attributes is I think they are extremely good listeners. I find them to be able to digest complex, multi-layered types of information and come up with documents and goals that are very common sense and able to implement very easily. We have had, the Women's Resource Center has had the opportunity to work with them on a project that we were chosen as one of 3 projects in the country to improve our economic justice work within our organization. So myself and the director of our legal project engaged with Erica and Sarah Lee, who was also and I think still is employed by CSAJ, to develop the work at the Women's Resource Center. During that time, they assisted and were very accessible. They assisted us in developing internal goals and documents, bringing together the organization, the advocates and the attorneys. They helped us develop surveys so that we could better analyze what it was that we needed to do to improve this work. And in the end, they assisted us and facilitated a meeting with a community council of women who are leaders of organizations within the community. As a result of those meetings, what the Women's Resource Center has done in partnership with 2 other entities in the county, one being a local community college and the other one being the Educational Opportunity Center, and the Women's Resource Center is the 3rd partner, has developed a pilot project whereby we are housing a woman and her children. We are providing the housing and we're providing services, other services through the Women's Resource Center, including legal services. The community college is providing access and free tuition to a college education, and EOC is providing the financial counseling that she needs over time and to help set her up in a way that she can sustainably meet the needs of her family economically and for herself. I think without the Center for Survivor Agency and Justice, technical assistance and input, I don't think we would be anywhere near where we are. I also find that they are especially apt and aware of racial and economic inequalities and help to bring those things forward so that we can be more aware of them as we're determining what the processes and policies that are going to be for our individual organizations. And finally, I think what I would say is because we've had the opportunity to work with Erica and the Center for Survivor Agency and Justice, our community's a better place. And I think that the work that we've done is transforming women's lives and will transform the lives of their children and and change our community at large.